Namaste, Jai Gurudev. My name is Akshara Kulkarni. I am in Astrolog batch of 2021-2022. Jyotish has helped me make my life easier, lighter, to know myself better, to understand the deeper meaning of life. I think I've found my calling. I was always interested in Jyotish, but I didn't know which institute to pick because there are just so many on the internet these days. I honestly don't think I chose Astrolog consciously. I think it was just uh, I think it was just God's blessings on, to be honest. I saw Alok sir's video and the way he was teaching. All I knew is that I wanted to be in his class. I don't want to learn Jyotish or anything, but I just want to be in his class. And yeah, that's how my journey started. Um, Astrology has always interested me since I was a child because my grandfather knew Jyotish and I used to read Linda Goodman a lot. And thanks to Alok sir, all my wrong notions have been bashed, and the right and authentic knowledge is coming into me. So thank you, Alok sir. Thank you. I'm really blessed. uh, and uh, yeah, I mean, you can have all the riches in the world, you can have money, you can have fame, you can have a good spouse, but nothing compares to knowing yourself better, nothing compares to self knowledge, and nothing compares to transcending this relative world of materialism and going back to yourself, which is, I think, the ultimate liberation and peace. And of course, that's more of on a spiritual side. On the technical side, the concepts which are taught are very, very uh, in detail, focused, and the doubts clearing sessions that we have within our groups and subgroups is something that keeps me on track. It keeps me in touch with the subject. Our gurus, I think Mukesh sir and Hemant sir, are the most generous, so uh, interesting, and and so deep, and you get so lost in the subject that you just want to keep discussing Jyotish. You want to keep discussing if this planet sits in this house, what happens if is घर पर इसकी दृष्टि पड़ी तो what happens. It's it's very it's very engrossing it's very engrossing, and you don't know that when you lose track of time. And I think I have got more than what I had expected from the course. It's just not the Saturday, Friday class affair. Uh, your gurus are available to you 24 by 7, and that is a sign of a guru that he or she is always there for you. You can always count on them. So I'm very, very grateful for that. In short, if I have to sum it up, Astrolog is not just about a subject. I think it's about living life on a more conscious level, living life consciously, deeply, spiritually, and in a correct manner. You won't just become a good Jyotishi after this course. I think you will become a good human being, and that is what is more important. Also, it helps you transcend this relative materialistic mundane world. Astrolog for me summed up is a key to Divyalok, which helps us transcend this Mrityulok. Yeah, that's right. I think Astrolog gives you the access key to Divyalok, transcending Mrityulok. And what else could be better? I'm glad I'm on the right path after so many years of my life. I always wanted to pursue spirituality, but I always wanted to learn Jyotish, but I don't know how. But I think now my time has come. And with Shukra Maharaj sitting in my 8th house and with my Shukra Dasha on, I think this is the perfect time for me to learn Jyotish and to be under the wings of such great gurus like Alok ji, Mukesh ji, and Hemant ji. And thank you for teaching me, and thank you for considering me as your student, and thank you for all the guidance in the world. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.